I've probably been a part of over a dozen car enthusiast group chats, most of which get broken up due to inactivity or drama before they ever even meet up once, and I'm sure many of you can relate to this. In this vlog, the plans finally made it out of the group chat, and we had a pretty memorable time, so let's go together, and I hope you enjoy. What's good, y'all? It's Matt, and today I am in the 350Z. We are headed to a little bit of a meet. I'm sure you guys are part of a million group chats if you guys are car enthusiasts. And 99% of those times, a lot of those group chats never make it out of the group chat itself. So this is one of the few times where the group chat is making it out, and we're gonna go hang out with them and meet up and see what's up, and we're gonna have a good time. I am waiting for my friend Justin right now. He has the silver Rev Up 350Z. He's been working out a lot, and actually here he is, he's pulling up now. You see that? Woo-wee! There it is. But yeah, so we're gonna cruise together to the show. This is a group that is called DFW Tuners Alliance, and it's just a group of friends, mostly VQ and Z people. But it's a very chill group of VQ and Z people, which is a little rare in this community, I would say. So I'm very excited to go hang out and say hi and see some familiar faces and finally put some names to faces. And we're gonna take you guys along. I'm cruising out with Justin. It's not too far. They're normally really far out, so I have no excuse to not go out and say hi. But we're gonna go do that and take you guys along. We recently put a new bash bar in. It's really clean front bumper right here. Still needs some work that he's working on, but it looks really good. Sick. We've arrived. There's like 10-ish people here. It is at a burger, like an old burger place, but some Z's here. We'll check it out. That was actually like a fairly scenic drive.
Honestly, yeah. It was
as scenic as it can get out here.
Yeah. Here in Dallas.
Yeah. Nice. Hello, it's nice meeting y'all finally. Sorry, I brought the camera and everything.
Well, yeah.
Nice meeting you. Hi, I'm Matt. Yeah, I wasn't sure if I was gonna show up, and I was like, man, y'all got close enough to where I was like, I'm gonna feel bad if I don't show up. A little bit, like a couple hours ago. I could eat though. I know, I invited him out. He just replaced it though, and now he's thinking it might be in his injectors. Huh?
Already?
Yeah. He said it wasn't running last night still. Dude, look at this. What is this called?
I think it's forged carbon.
Forged carbon?
I don't know if it's wrap or real. Probably wrap.
Damn.
What's that wrap?
I like this hood too. Is that real forged carbon hood? No? Looks good. Oh really? Damn. Looks good. $280. When'd you put? You've had this on forever, haven't you?
Huh?
You've had this on forever or no?
I just put this on.
I was like, dude, this is new, isn't it? It looks kind of like I like it a lot actually.
I like it.
What's the wing like called or like the model of it?
I forgot
Or
what
like-
the rep was called, but it's basically a replica of a Veil side
Oh really?
V2 wing.
Oh wow. It's got like the, if you know, I've heard of the brand like AB Flug.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got that style.
don't know. I'd rather with it.
I like that a lot, man.
If I'm gonna style my car,
Yeah.
I like the lower wing. Lower
Yeah.
than low, more than like a tall wing.
Yeah, tall wing is kind of getting ugly on this car, I feel like.
Yeah.
I wanted tall wing forever, but now I'm like...
The right build. Sam's not the right build to make it like that. Mine's not gonna have that.
Oh. What is this?
I don't see a branding on it.
It sounds good. It's just a 370 sound.
They just sound better than
Naturally deeper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's because it's like 5 inches longer.
The exhaust is? Oh.
Something like that.
You don't think it comes from having 2 throttle bodies?
Mine has 2. Mine has 2.
2? Oh.
The HRs have.
Oh, I thought you were rev up for some reason. Oh, shoot. Justin's car is an HR. My bad. Yeah, I thought it was a rev up. Just take like 5 minutes. It's just 4 bolts.
Yeah, pretty much. 4 bolts on each side.
Ah, that's cool. What mufflers are these?
Nobody has any fucking clue.
They sound good, but I'm like, is it? Yeah.
Did you not? Like, none of us have any fucking. We've got close.
Oh.
We've kind of matched it. But
Yeah, it sounds nice.
I don't know. I just tried to be too. Yeah, I was gonna say.
I'll send you a sound clip and decipher this. You ever been out in this area? I know. I don't leave the house.
Same. Mainly when I go to meets, it's either at a track or it's close.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. This place looks cool though down there, like back there. That looks like a cool shoot spot.
yeah. Behind,
Yeah, all that rust and stuff. I really like the screen. Looks sick. This is the group that is meeting today, by the way.
Since we're all right here, I might as well go ahead and do this.
Whoa!
Happy birthday!
Whose birthday is it?
You gotta drop a fork.
No.
It's a very cute cake.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So it was actually like an over the hill cake, and I was like, that works. I know, but I was like, I didn't want to do that. I was like, take off the red sign.
I don't think he's part of our group, but this is a 454 SS. Pretty sick. It'll be on my car for sure, so yeah. Hell yeah. We got a Mustang pulling up.
Who else had water?
Lemonade over here.
It's perfect.
We did it. Oh yeah. I like how low it is, like the squished back profile,
Same.
especially with the crash bar. Yeah, I like it. Looks very different. I like it.
I like how, unlike most wings that are like that, it flows all the way down.
Straws.
Thank you.
Thank you. It flows all the way down to the bottom of the hatch instead of coming
Yeah,
out.
that's like how the V3 does it too. That was one of the things I really wanted about like the Veilside V3 wing is that it covers and you get like a gaudy badge.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, everyone needs to know I have a Veilside part.
Yeah. This one's the V2 wing.
Oh, it looks. I wanted the V3 forever, but yeah, the more I look at this,
This one's worth it.
yeah.
I think it's worth it.
All right, y'all, cake, come and get some.
Cake before the meal? Heck yeah. Hell yeah. You want some cake?
This camera on this.
I need to hit that Bucky's meet. It's every week?
Every Wednesday.
Every Wednesday?
Every Wednesday at 6:30.
Maybe I'll go this week.
I go most of the time. I have friends that go.
Oh, okay.
It's messy in there. You want to check it out?
Yeah, I'm just looking. It's all right. I like it. I was admiring how like it has these old windows.
Oh, yeah.
Just thinking back to like minivan stuff when I was a kid. How long have you had this for? Nice. Oh, there's 350 seats in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Same 65.
This is what I had. I thought I had another one.
Oh. Nice seats. That looks very sick. We're gonna look at the V30 DETT. Damn, this looks like a pain to work on. What's like the easiest job that's the biggest pain? This looks so hard. Yeah, how long does like spark plugs take on this thing? You sound stressed.
I don't even know because
Yeah.
you had to unbolt everything here. and-
Yeah,
Hey, it looks
That's
pretty.
crazy.
It looks really pretty.
I love this thing.
Oh, your cat's coming out.
Just no room to work on it.
Damn. Has it ever been dynoed?
Yes.
How much?
412.
Holy!
I have to do a retune this winter, so
What all's done to it?
what's not done with it is the question.
Oh, everything's done to
Yeah, upgrade turbos, bigger intercoolers. God, the list is like forever long.
it. That's cool. I like the clear timing cover.
Yeah, the smoked one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know Trotsky also had one like that when I saw his Z.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you know him.
Mm-mm.
Eli? C32 Eli or whatever. He's got a white one.
I don't know. Unless
Yeah.
I follow them.
Damn, look at this carbon fiber headlight housing.
Are you the manager?
No, she was one of your secret.
Actually, we're on this side. Yeah.
The lights are on the end of the day.
Oh, what? That is... I need to get this good.
I agree. Me too.
Damn. Oh my gosh. Sounds so good. Yes. Damn. That's awesome. That was nice. Thank you. Yep. Alright. We're currently on our way to Half Price Books or something. We were gonna Crusoe Park originally, but I guess Half Price Books it is. So we are in a group of people here. Let's do this. It's like a 5-minute cruise, so it should be fun. Alright, we've arrived to Half Price Books. That looks sick. That looks really nice with that green. We got all the underglowers. Alright, y'all. It is the end of the night. We just walked around Half Price Books, and now we're in a parking lot. People are starting to leave. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, guys. It was fun. It was a chill night. Had a really good time just chatting and having a quality, chill time with chill car people. And that's kind of what cars are all about in this community. So it's nice to find a cool group of people. Thank you to DFW Tuners Alliance. Nice meeting you, man.
You too, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Hey,
Yeah.
you got an Instagram?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and follow me. I'll follow you back, man.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Cool.
Catch you later, bro.
Yeah, see ya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like I said, it's a really cool group of people. But thank you, DFW Tuners Alliance, for hosting and hanging out. I know it's been a long time coming trying to get the group chat out. So glad we finally did. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Man, I love driving in Mexico. Mexico's awesome. Yo, we raced the HR. We kept up with it today. Hell yeah, let's go. DE power, baby. We might do another run. If I don't get a video, I'm sorry, but you'll get audio. Alright, that one wasn't a fair run. We'll try again. We'll get it this time. It's so funny every time I end up cruising with Justin and the Silver Z that we just end up finding ourselves in Mexico and having a little bit of fun. But damn, I am impressed that the DE was able to keep up with the HR today. Full bolt-on HR, by the way. And yeah, I had a lot of fun. Thank you again, DFW Tuner Alliance, for hosting. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, guys. Appreciate the recent support. You guys are very special. You guys mean a lot to me. And without you guys, I don't know. All right, guys. Peace out. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye.